Imagine looking at a photograph of a newborn infant, but the baby weighs 150 pounds and has a full beard. That is exactly what NASA just found staring back at us from the edge of the universe, 6 impossible objects that simply should not exist. These structures contain up to 100 billion times the mass of our Sun, fully formed just 500 million years after the Big Bang. According to every law of astrophysics we have, there was not enough time, or enough matter, for them to grow this large. Scientists around the world are utterly baffled, officially calling them the universe breakers. So, are our laws of physics completely broken, or is something massive hiding in the dark? To understand why scientists are sweating over this, we need to look at the cosmic rulebook. Normally, galaxies are like cities. They start as tiny villages, small clouds of gas and dust, and over billions of years, they slowly merge to build up into sprawling metropolises. Our own Milky Way took 13 billion years to become what it is today. That is an established, proven fact. But this is where things get strange. Because by the end of this video, you will understand why everything you learned in science class might be obsolete. The data pouring in right now is completely rewriting human history. What I am about to reveal next is exactly why hundreds of thousands of people are joining our Deep Space Secrets community every single day. If you want a front row seat to the greatest mysteries of the cosmos, hit that follow button right now. Stay with me here, because the truth is darker than we thought. The mystery began when the James Webb Space Telescope, NASA's $10 billion time machine, turned its infrared eye toward a patch of deep space near the Big Dipper. Astronomer Evo Lab and an international team were looking for the faintest, earliest sparks of starlight. Instead, they found monsters. 6 glowing red dots in the data that were so impossibly massive, the team initially assumed they had made a calibration error. But independent verification confirmed it. These were not tiny sparks. They were ancient titans. And it left the team with a terrifying realization. The leading theory: we might have completely misunderstood dark matter. Think of dark matter as the invisible scaffolding of the universe. Current models say this scaffolding was built slowly. But what if, in the early universe, dark matter clumped together at hyperspeed? One of the lead researchers stated that they found something so unexpected it actually creates problems for science. If dark matter acted like a cosmic supermagnet right after the Big Bang, violently pulling in gas, it could forge these monster galaxies instantly. But here is where it gets crazy. Just when you thought you understood, fresh data dropped a bombshell. A competing faction of astrophysicists argues these are not galaxies full of billions of stars at all. They think James Webb might actually be looking at primordial supermassive black holes. Monsters born directly from the collapse of pristine gas clouds, feeding so ferociously that their glowing friction outshines entire galaxies. So, are we looking at impossible galaxies, or the earliest, most terrifying black holes ever discovered? This debate is tearing the scientific community apart, and I genuinely want to know what you think. Let us settle this in the comments right now. Are we looking at option A, the universe breaker galaxies that prove our laws of physics are wrong? Option B, primordial supermassive black holes masquerading as stars? Or option C, is it something else entirely that science has not even named yet? Drop your wildest theories below. I am reading every single one, because sometimes the best ideas come from outside the traditional labs. This affects how we see our place in the universe. If the timeline of creation is wrong, it means the entire story of how we got here, how dust became stars, planets, and eventually us, needs a rewrite. It suggests the universe possesses a mechanism for creation so powerful, and so violent, that it defies human comprehension. This is not just about distant lights in the sky, it is about our origin story. What you are about to see from telescopes over the next few years changes everything. But do not let this existential mystery overwhelm you. This is exactly how science is supposed to work. We build better eyes, we look deeper into the dark, and the universe reminds us of its infinite wonder. Right now, James Webb is taking follow-up spectroscopy readings of these exact 6 anomalies to peer inside their atmospheres. And soon, the Nancy Grace Roman Space Telescope will launch, giving us a panoramic view of the ancient cosmos 100 times larger than Hubble. We are standing on the precipice of a new golden age of discovery. We might not have all the answers today, but the fact that we can even ask these questions from our tiny blue rock is nothing short of a miracle. The cosmos is not broken, our understanding is just evolving. But these universe breakers are not the only anomalies lurking in the deep field. In our next video, we are diving into the Great Attractor, the invisible anomaly that is dragging our entire Milky Way galaxy toward it at 1.3 million miles per hour. And later this week, we will reveal the classified sound recordings NASA captured from a black hole that will send chills down your spine. Thank you for watching, and thank you for being part of this incredible community. Remember, every time we think we have the cosmos figured out, it shows us just how small we really are. The universe is full of secrets, and we are just getting started. Stay curious, keep looking up.